I've had many tears and sorrow. I've got questions for tomorrow. There were times when I didn't know what's right from wrong. But in every situation, God gave me blessed consolation that my trial comes to only make me strong. Through it all, I've learned to trust in Jesus. I've learned to trust in God. Through it all, I've learned to depend upon His word. And I thank God for the mountain, and I thank Him for the valley, and I thank Him for the storms He brought me through. I know if I had never had any problem, I wouldn't know that God could solve them, and I wouldn't know that faith in God could do.